empowerment to love money. Because only what you love will you chase after, take care of, and enjoy. To improve the outcome of this empowerment, it's important to understand that your mind works by moving away from what it finds uncomfortable and bad and towards what it finds comfortable and good. This is why it's so tough to quit addictions, because they're linked with pleasure, and withdrawal is linked with pain. People can't work out because they've associated it with suffering and sacrifice. If you really enjoyed and got a lot out of the exercise you do, you could do it every day and benefit from it, not for the results you expect, but for the pleasure and enjoyment it brings you daily. If you have linked money with suffering, loss, abandonment, or separation, you will never approach it. Unconsciously, you are rejecting it every day. If you associate money with good and pleasurable things, you will unconsciously draw closer to it. Listen to this reinforcement as many times as necessary until you detect that money for you signifies happiness, comfort, certainty, stability, security, opportunities, and pleasure. We're going to erase the cumulative effect of not realizing that for you, money represented pain, it represented suffering, separation, tiredness, injustice, evil, dishonesty, separation, discrimination, and other negative associations. We break, undo, disassociate, and disintegrate all this information coming from you and coming from outside you that limits and stagnates your economy. At 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time, we're going to erase it from your ancestors descending in you in this and in other lives. We will overcome the resistance to improve, change, let go, erase, release, become independent, and unconditionally forgive these limiting, distorted, wrong beliefs and all those who push them onto you. At 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with boundless time, we boost your body, mind, and spirit. We fortify your physical, mental, and emotional intelligence to enhance your health. At 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with endless time, we fortify your body, mind, and spirit. We empower your physical, mental, and emotional intelligence to better your health. At 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time, we boost your body, your mind, and your spirit. We strengthen your physical, mental, and emotional intelligence to improve your well-being. At 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with limitless time, we energize your body, your mind, and your spirit. We enrich your physical, mental, and emotional intelligence to improve your health. At 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time indefinitely, we enhance your body, your mind, and your spirit. We amplify your physical, mental, and emotional intelligence to better your health. Money enables others to provide you with better treatment. It escalates your opportunities. Money gives you access to privileged information and lets you make more neutral decisions. Strong enough to accept, admit, and recognize all of this in body, mind, and spirit, and we eliminate all resistance and aversion towards this information. At 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time indefinitely, we wipe out all those moments when the primary criterion for decision-making was money. We erase the instances where you decided not to proceed, not to purchase, not to relish, not to gift or discomfort yourself in order to not spend money. We eradicate the accumulated impact of not understanding how money works. We wash away all the information, perception, and interpretation you possess about investing, spending, saving, losing, and making money that comes from both you and outside. We delete the ingrained, inherent, seen and heard, passed on, received fear that money is finite, that money is running out, that money vanishes. We erase negative emotions, feelings, and reactions that trigger and activate you. And we erase the misconception that money is the cause of your suffering or the suffering of those you love. Be strong to accept, admit, and recognize that the real cause of your suffering is the lack of money. It's not having money, it's not knowing how to multiply money, it's not knowing how to manage money, it's not knowing how to earn money, it's not knowing how to invest money, and not knowing how to save money. That's what has weakened you. So be strong to accept it, admit it, acknowledge it, transform it, and reframe it at 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. Be strong to accept, admit, and recognize that what limits you, stagnates you, blocks you, enslaves you, hurts you, humiliates you, worries you, makes you sick, separates you, distresses you, destabilizes you, and many other negative experiences and emotions is really the lack of money. It's the limited money, the money that trickles in, the money that doesn't get to you. Strong to identify the cause, reason, and source of the roots of your financial issues. 100% with unlimited potential, 100% of the time with unlimited time. Strong to love money as an energy of certainty, an energy of benevolence, an energy of generosity, an energy of expansion of consciousness, an energy of intelligence, an energy of strength, an energy of security, of stability, of joy, of enjoyment, of satisfaction, of gratitude, of kindness and inspiration. Strengthen your physical, mental, and emotional intelligence to accept, process, and keep all this new information. Strong to acknowledge that money is good, that it brings you well-being, that with money you can share this well-being. Strong to accept, admit, understand that money allows you to enjoy life, to understand life, to appreciate life, to be grateful for life, to take advantage of life. Be strong, recognizing that a lack of money makes you dismiss life, disregard its value, and suffer. Understand that limited funds lead to rejecting life, being ungrateful for life, and ignoring the value of life. Realize that insufficiency causes stress and suffering in life. Be strong, acknowledging that a lack of money is bad, uncomfortable, and an imbalance of your own ample potential. Be strong to accept, admit, recognize, perceive, and constantly affirm that financial abundance is a blessing, opportunity, success, and satisfaction. Be strong to feel gratitude for financial abundance, joy. Be strong enough to fill your emotional deficiencies with love, not money. Be strong enough to solve your insecurities with self-esteem, not money. Be strong to increase your talents with money that provides you with valuable learning and knowledge for your life. Be strong to enhance your skills without worrying about money. Improve your skills for pleasure, satisfaction, and contribution to others. Strong to realize that financial self-sufficiency is your responsibility. It's an expansion of consciousness. Becoming self-sufficient without needing anyone to provide for you, support you, or help you. Strong to create this strength within you that makes you grow, that you become someone who contributes, teaches, and inspires others. Strong to want, desire, and need to have your own money, multiply your own money, share your own money, enjoy your own money. Strong to realize that it's a pending issue that you can resolve in this life. We're going to erase all lack, deductions, assumptions, certainties, judgments, and beliefs that you can't win. Create, share, invest, multiply, and manage money. We eliminate resistance to accepting, admitting, understanding, transforming, and executing this. We eliminate both your resistance and that which is not yours. We eliminate fear of sin, error, evil, punishment, discrimination, and rejection. Strong to love the energy of money. Strong to accept, admit, and understand all the benefits that come with this. Strong to manage that money wisely. Strong to honor your energy, using it for your greatest good. Strong in the face of the limited, twisted, distorted opinions that others have about money. Strong to be judged, criticized, singled out, and lectured when you say you love money. Strong to hold on to your own opinions despite fear of what other people think. Strong to have absolute conviction that money brings you well-being and growth. Strong to approach it without guilt, without shame, and without fear. Strong to accept, acknowledge, and recognize the money already in your life. Strong to generate more money than necessary. Strong to enjoy it, rejoice in it, and multiply it. Strong to learn and educate yourself to optimally utilize it and let it always flow healthily in your life. Strong to love it and not love it, value it and not value it. Strong to reconcile with yourself for having distanced yourself from it and having rejected it. Strong for you not to reconcile. Strong to talk about it and not talk about it, fight for it and not fight for it. Strong to wisely manage it and to squander it. Strong to earn it with joy and satisfaction and to earn it with pain and dissatisfaction. Strong for your relationship with money to be the same, not the same, different, not different, change, not change, perception, not perception. Strong for all things positive, not positive, negative, not negative about money. I strengthen your internal and external dynamics, internal and external boundaries, and vertices to 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time, and erase all weaknesses to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram body, mind, and spirit. Tell me, how much do you love money now?